Hi, I'm Gabby and I'm going to show you how to make chocolate-covered cherries. So what I have here are some Bing cherries, just regular Bing cherries from the grocery store, and also some semi-sweet chocolate chips that I've melted over a double boiler. And all I did was put them on top of a pot with a little bit of hot water on the bottom and stirred them over a low flame until they melted. So easy. So all you're going to do to make your chocolate-covered cherries is take your Bing cherry. It's best if the stem is still attached, and dip it in. Looks like we lost the stem, but that's okay. And then you just want to very carefully scoop it out and put it onto a clean surface. And right now it's kind of goopy, but what's going to happen is it's going to harden. So we're covering it, and you really want to make sure that it's not too thick, so wipe away the debris. So, here you go. If you really want to speed up the hardening of the chocolate, you can stick these in the freezer. And that's how you make chocolate-covered cherries.